today we've got Reuben right here. He's ripping pretty hard right now actually. He just hit a gate, but he's been smashing this track. Anyway, yeah, we got Reuben out here. He hasn't flown much at all and he's actually ripping this track a lot harder than we expected. And then we got Fizzy. We got the cripple Fizzy, who last time I saw him, Nathaniel was all good. He was just walking around and that's unfortunate. But he's
my calf off. Not
yeah. So yeah, we've been having some good times. This quad's been beaten up, as you can see. It's bent already, but it's been good as we just did a race there, which you guys will see, and that was really fast. We're all ripping hard.
And Stu, you missed out on a good day of flying.
And I just flew the wind dancers on this quad. I was flying the Dell 50-51 Cyclones on this before, and they felt really good, and that response of a prop that light on these motors was great, but they were just too endurable for me. They just broke a lot. I didn't like that. So I went with the wind dancer 50-42 because they're a really light prop still. They're about 4 grams. They're not very aggressive, but I flew them then, and like I was getting the top end I wanted. They were gripping nice. They just felt good. I don't know what felt better, but I don't really have much reason to fly the other ones when they break. These are great. I love these.
I feel like on NB Astro's channel.
Oh yeah, I'm just reviewing propellers and motors and stuff.
What's going on, guys? That actually pretty dense. You sound like you didn't.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Today we're reviewing the T-Motor F40 Pro 2 28,000 kV.
Oh yeah.
T-Motor sent us some prototype super high KVs. Oh man.
They're the tiny whoop.
The tiny whoop motors. And I've already done the durability testing on these wind dancers. I crashed them into trees and stuff like 12 times in a row one night and they didn't even break. I just bent them back. They're great. Oh, hey. All right, plugging in. The gate's down again and we both went into it. I hit the gate, then you knocked it over.
Oh no!
Oh, your antenna's gone. Found my quad.
Where is my antenna?
Alright, this quad's done for today. At least I already got some good racing, good video with it, but that doesn't look much like a quad anymore. The bolt's broke on here, the arm's alright, but oh, that bolt sheared off. I can see it inside the hole. And I bent the standoffs and the props. This thing's done for the day. Alright, let's go on to this guy right here, go get some props on it. I broke the battery strap as well. Oh, I'm filming myself. I'm doing a great job.
Were you trying to film that?
This is why I don't use a session for my actual vlogs.
Yeah. Alright, stop, it's gonna put me off. Okay, so...
It's a nice arming.
Wait, turn the controller off and on.
Everyone ready? Arm your quads. Both through. Oh, green just got a little hard there. Curtis with a God mode, keeping up. God mode versus Helix. Oh! Curtis is kicking up dirt with turtle mode. Curtis has not made it on turtle mode. Looks like the race is over. At this stage, Granger has won, but that did not last very long. I've just put the Wind Dancer blues on it. I got some red, blue, and clear when I did my order. And I'm really liking these props. I am upgrading these motors to the Brother Hobby 2207 soon and moving these to a lighter quad, which is the Quad Racer God mode. That's rest in peace to Pete's. Oh my god, you took so many ants. Yo, look at my GoPro lens. It's covered in ants.
Oh, so your fucking arm.
And my arm, of course.
Is it covered in ants?
No, like it's full on everywhere. He just covered my arm. Our racetrack is the biggest mess right now. Like, there's just dead gate, triangle, 2 poles and a flopping noodle. That's blue in the grass. I see blue. Ah! Yes, GoPro mount, I could see it from here. Hell yeah. Up my battery connector a bit and that prop. I've got quite a few quad repairs to do, from propellers to battery straps, standoffs, motors. I've come back with a lot of stuff to do actually. So yeah, anyway, that was a fun day.